Editing estimates in QuickBooks Desktop can feel heavy during revisions, client changes, or quote cleanup. If you need to update product or service details, fix quantities, adjust rates, or correct amounts, doing it one by one takes time, and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I'll show you how to edit estimates in QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt. You export the estimates, make the changes in Excel, and update them back into QuickBooks Desktop in one go.
To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today.
Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop from the Product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks. When prompted, authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. After opening SaasAnt Transactions Desktop, go to Export. Select QuickBooks type as Estimate. Next, choose the date type based on how you want to find the records, such as created or modified date. Next, choose your date type, set the from and to date range, and pick the export template you want to use. If needed, open the Filter tab and use filters like Account, Customer, or Reference Number to pull only the estimates you want to edit. You can also open the Settings tab if you want to adjust how the export is shown, such as date format or transaction line options. Then click Search to load the estimates based on the filters you applied. Once the results load, filter the estimates you want to export. Select Excel as the export format and click Download. Open the downloaded file in Excel. Do not change the key reference columns in any internal identifiers. SaasAnt uses these to match the existing estimates in QuickBooks Desktop. Update only the fields you want to change. For example, here I have edited the product or service amount, product or service rate, and product or service quantity fields. Make sure the amount matches the rate multiplied by the quantity before you save the file. Save the file after you finish your edits. Now go back to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Choose Import, then select Estimate as the QuickBooks transaction or list type. Browse and upload the edited Excel file. Choose your saved mapping if available, or continue with the mapped fields shown on screen. Choose the Update option so SaasAnt updates your existing transaction. Review the mapped data carefully and make sure the edited fields are matched correctly. Once everything looks correct, click Send to QuickBooks to update the estimates in QuickBooks Desktop. To verify the results, open QuickBooks Desktop and check the updated estimate. Confirm that the product or service amount, rate, and quantity now match the changes you made in Excel. That is how you can edit estimates in QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt without manually opening and updating each estimate one by one. Start with the free trial and use it for your next quote revision or estimate cleanup.